All right, well, we made it to the show. Here we are. Great turnout, beautiful weather, lots of trucks. Excited to walk around and see everything. So let's see what we can find. See what we think is the coolest thing here. Jesse Norris is in the running with old Horny.
Yeah, Rhonda. Rhonda's here.
You call her Rhonda?
Yeah.
All right, I call it Horny, man.
She's got attitude.
C10 built by Kevin Teets. First ever diesel swap C10. Yeah, 49-51 weight ratio, forged line wheels, one piece glass on the door, custom vents in the hood, grill. Pretty much everything was hand fabricated on this truck.
And can you tell us about the motor?
It's the 5.0, the Nissan Titan Cummins. Doing about 600 horsepower, 1,000 foot-pounds of torque.
Nice.
They tuned it and deleted it. Exhaust coming out the bed.
This is probably the only one in the country with that motor in it.
Yeah,
I'd imagine.
I think so. Yeah.
That's a unique build.
Yeah.
That
I've got a
was well done too.
Yeah, I've got a 57 Chevy with a Duramax in it, so that's pretty cool.
That's cool, man.
I like the stuff's a little bit different.
This is a beautiful truck.
Thank you. Thank you.
right, me and Cade cruising back after C10 Rally.
Almost ran out of gas.
Almost ran out of gas, but that's okay. Almost doesn't matter. You didn't run out of gas, but we got gas, and we're not too far from home. So I'd say it's another successful trip. I don't know. I don't want to speak too soon. We're far enough away that something could still happen. But I have confidence that we're going to make it just fine. Because, I mean, why not? What's going to go wrong? Nothing's going to go wrong. We're good. We're good.